friends, this is Arjun, your best friend. Today I am going to teach you how to make every child's favorite cake. So we need castor sugar, eggs, refined wheat, butter, vanilla essence and some milk. Now I'll tell you the exact measurement we need. So I have used this bowl for my measurements. So I have taken 2 bowls of refined wheat, 2 bowls of refined wheat, 3 eggs, 1 ball of castor sugar, vanilla essence, some milk and 100 grams butter. So now we'll start mixing, but don't forget the steps. Your butter should be at room temperature so that the mixing will be easy. So now I'll put the castor sugar. In the starting our mixture was very rough, but now as you can see it's becoming smoother and smoother. This is an important step for making your cake spongy. Make this batter very smooth. As you can see, our castor sugar is nicely mixed with the butter. So now I'm going to put all of it. After 2-3 minutes, our mixture will look like this. So now I am going to put half a tablespoon vanilla essence. So now I am going to mix refined wheat flour into our mixture. And now we'll mix it properly. So now I'll stir it like this so that there will be some air inside the mixture. While making this mixture, I put my oven on preheat. So this is my oven and I am going to put it on its convection mode. And now I am going to start it. So now this will be preheated on 180 degrees Celsius. So now we'll make this cake pan ready. So now I sprinkle some refined wheat flour on this. So now I am going to sprinkle my flour on the surface. So now our vessel is ready. As you can see, our mixture is too thick. So I'll add some milk to it to make it a bit smooth. As you can see, my mixture is nicely smoothened. Now it's ready to be baked. So as you can see, our cake is already inside the oven. Now I'll just close it. And now I'm going to put it on convection. So it is on 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to press select. So I'm going to put it for 35 minutes. So I've put it for 35 minutes. So now I'm going to press start. So let's wait for 35 minutes. After that, our cake will be ready. So now our cake is ready to be eaten. So now I'm going to cut it. See how spongy it is. Yummy. Be happy with your own homemade cake. Tasty. So as you can see, my cake does not have any baking soda or baking powder. Still, it is so soft, crunchy and delicious. Enjoy your lovely cake. Until then, bye.